Today I have for you guys Ipsy Glam bag, their first bag of the year 2021. Is it mostly skincare? Is it mostly makeup? Or is it a combination of both? Stay to the end and you will find out. Hi guys, I'm Kelsey and this is Always Sunshine, where we try to bring a little bit of sunshine to your makeup. And today's videos, yes, we do have Ipsy Glam bag, their first bag of the year 2021. But before I do get into Ipsy, I do want to remind you guys that you can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at Always Sunshine. A little bit of love over there and a little bit of love over here. Also, I do want to remind you that we are a monthly giveaway channel. So at the end of this video, I will give you a little bit more information about that. Today's video is Ipsy's Glam bag. It does retail for $25 and it does promote that the products are worth $125 or more. So I am very excited to show you guys these babies. So with that being said, let's get into these babies. So this month's theme for Ipsy was Dream, and all the products did come in these lovely bags. As you guys know, or for you that don't know, Ipsy does every month pick a theme, and this theme, like I just said, was Dream. Lovely, lovely bag. And they did bring two little pamphlets. It didn't bring this pamphlet, and they are promoting next month. They have a Glam Bags X, and it's going to be taken over by Patricia Ta. And it does say that it's going to retail for $428. So any of you guys that are interested, you could go to Ipsy and check this baby out. The next pamphlet that I did receive from them is the actual pamphlet that is supposed to have, to me, the description of the products. But maybe since it's the first bag of the year starting, they're going with the horoscopes. What they actually did was put everybody's like little encouraging quote for this year for your actual horoscope, so you could go and check this out if you want. But the actual products, they did not have no description, so I'll be reading some of the products and also looking down. If you guys see me looking down, is that I'm looking at some of the notes that I actually did go into the actual websites that sell these products to see what was the rating on the products, maybe to see a couple of highlights about the products, and also what they retail for. So the first product that I did receive, and I was very excited for this one because my daughter actually has two of their products and she totally loves it. It is the Somerville Goat Milk Nurturizing Cream. Guys, this baby right here. First of all, let me go to my notes. It says it is clinically tested, safe for sensitive skin, and is gentle, even enough for all skin types. This baby right here does retail for $65 and it does have 4.5 stars. Let me read what it actually says here. It says growing up with eczema. Oh, well, this is, I am guessing, let me see where it says. Well, actually, it just has a quote from somebody and it says, growing up with eczema, my mom would put goat's milk in my bath. Use this cream daily to help replenish the nourishment in my skin. So with that, I'd rather go to my actual notes that I got for this baby. It said it is clinically tested, safe for sensitive skin. Like I said, it is gentle enough for all skin types. It says our nourishing cream is clinically proven formula with moisturizing, boosting, redness, reducing ingredients. Guys, it says to smooth out dry skin, even chapped skin. It does have lactose of goat milk, jojoba, and avocado. Naturally smooths aloe. It has grapeseed and it also has vitamin E. This baby, you could pick it up at katesomerville.com, and like I said, it retails for $65. So this month, we're starting in a good sign with Ipsy. The next product, oh, I'm sorry guys, I do want to show you what it looks like. I was so excited to get to the next product because I am happy with my box this month. I'm not going to tell you why. I'm going to wait till the end to give you the recap of why I'm happy of this month and what is my goal for this year with my actual skincare. Ooh, it does smell wonderful, you guys. This is what it looks like. Now, let me give it a little dab on my skin. Right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is going real good into my skin. This is a hydrating cream, so I'm not going to tell you right away, guys, oh my God, this is the best cream I ever tried because this is the first time I actually try it. But in a future giveaway, I will tell you what I actually think about it. So, first product, not bad for now. I've tried their products before. My daughter actually has their exfoliating cream and she totally loves it. With that being said, now we're gonna go into our next product, and it is the Wonder Beauty Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil. This baby right here does retail for $21, guys. This baby retails for $21, and it does have 4.5 stars. Let's open it so I can show you. And it is a dual pencil, it has dual tip. One tip being the actual applicator. The next tip is, you know, also like a little fluffy for you to fluffy out your brow if you like it. Now, it does says this precise and easy to use dual-sided pencil mimics the look of real hair for a more fuller natural look. It does contain vitamin E and plant oils, which hydrate and smooth to smoothen out your skin. Wow. So guys, if any of you guys have actually used this one, I've never used it before, but I've used from other name brands, and I've totally going into the smoother type of tip. Excuse me. Like you guys can see, this is a very, very fine tip. Normally now, for me to get the eyebrows like I have them today, I use this pencil, but I did use a fine tip pencil. If you guys have switched from like the regular traditional pencils to these pencils, let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about this? This is from Wonder Beauty, and like I told you guys, $21. Not bad box. You know, feeling Ipsy. Ipsy. Next product I did receive from Ipsy, guys. It is the Pure Leaves Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. This baby right here says that it hydrates, it balances, it prevents fine lines, and it preps the skin for makeup. It says it could be used on oily, combination, normal, and even sensitive skin. So basically all skin types. Now this baby does retail for $45, and it does have 5 stars out of 5. Now, when I did go into their actual website on the web, so you see the actual page on the web, they did not have a lot of information. All it said was what it actually says on the actual product. It also did say it's excellent for priming the skin. And I did read a review, and the girl actually wrote, she loves how it does prime her skin and how highly she recommends it. So like I said, it does have 5 stars. Now let's open this baby. This is what it looks like, guys. This is, like I said, a balancing moisturizer. So you could apply this baby like actually after you apply your serums for your face, and it does come always sealed. I do have a couple of other products from Pure Leaves. I do have their Mancha Green exfoliating cream and actual hydrating cream, and I love those two. If you guys actually, this is what it looks like. Now let's balance it in. If you guys, like I was saying, see my videos before, you will see that I do have a lot of products from Pure Leaves, and I always do say that I like them. Like I said, I can tell you guys now that Mancha Green one, the detoxing and the actual moisturizing cream as a conjunction together is lovely. I also gave it away on one of my giveaways, if you guys remember. So this is the 3rd product in the box. Let me show it to you guys again. Let me give it a little. Ooh, it does have a nice, like, I don't know how to describe this smell, but it's like a clinical smell, like a clean smell. I will, yes, like to say that. So again, guys, $45. Moving on to my next product, and this is the first time that I do receive this type of product from a Ipsy Glam bag. I have received these type of products in their sample bag. It is a hair product, and it is from Sleek. I hope I am pronouncing that right. You guys know my pronunciations. It is a hair serum. This is what the baby looks like right here. And it's called Silk Repair Therapy Hair. It does retail for $18, and it also has 5 stars in their actual website. I went in, and it does have 5 stars. They do promote that you could be, it could be used on all hair types. It says it protects from environmental and heat damage, doesn't make your hair feel greasy, it tames your hair and repairs your hair. It says it makes your hair shiny and smooth. It does have Saniqua oil, macadamia and jojoba oils, vitamin E, and it prevents your hair from, it prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. So with all of that being said, this baby should work wonders. It does retail for $18. Let me open it, show you guys what it actually looks like. This is what it looks like outside. The packaging is a very, very pretty. It says hair serum right here. This baby, I'm actually not going to put it on my hair because I already have some products on my hair. I don't know if it will unfreeze or how. I don't know how it's going to react with the actual products I have on my hair. But in a future video, I will use this product on my hair and I will let you guys know which video I used it. So you guys could tell me, what do you think of how it affects my hair? So, like I said, guys, I want to tell you again, it does retail for this one $18. So not that bad. As you know, most hair products with 2 or 3 drops, and this looks like a real nice good size. Let me see how much it brings. It's 1.7 ounces. That is a lot for a hair product. $18 is not that bad. So now I do want to go to the last product that I received from Ipsy this month, and it is duo brushes. Now, this is the first time that I received these type of brushes, and the actual type of brushes, guys, these are handmade brushes. And as you can see, yes, I did use them today to accomplish the look that I have, and I will give them exactly what they have on their website. 5 stars. This baby are from Firma Beauty. This is the first time I ever heard of Firma Beauty. So I actually went on their website. I did a couple of research on their website, and they say that all their brushes are handmade. So I did receive 2. I received the 401, which is this baby right here. And this one is a rounded blending brush, and it did retail for $14. I did use this one to actually apply some of the colors that I did above my crease and to blend those out. And then I did receive the Firma 201, and this one is flat oval blending brush. This one retail for $13, and it also had 5 stars on their website. So these 2 babies together retail for $27. Like I said, they're handmade. They are not natural hair. There is synthetic hair, and they do say that. But they do say that their artists are like 80 years worth of experience in brushes. They are made outside. They're made in another country. But hey, guys, I use them. I love them for now. This is the first time I used it, but I give them for the first use 5 stars. I had no problem blending the products. Like, I don't even know what to say. So if you guys, if you are really into brushes, you could go to firmabeauty.com and look these babies up. They do have a whole bunch of other lashes and other products. So like I said, $27. Guys, let's do a quick recap of all the products that I did receive this month from Ipsy, the first month of the year. We did receive the Purely's Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. We did receive the Sleek Hair Product Serum. We did receive the brow pencil from Wonder Beauty. We did receive the two eye brushes from Firma Beauty. And last product, which was one of my favorites, it is the Kate Somerville's Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. These are, they're following 5 products that I received from Ipsy for January 2021. So those were the products that I did receive from Ipsy for the first month of the year. I personally chose 2 of the products. The first one being the brushes, because I actually did get to play with them and I could give you guys my honest opinion, and I did have a lot of fun. And the second product is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk moisturizing cream. This baby right here, I recommend it. I know it's on the pricey side, $65, but my daughter has actually used some of these products and she recommends it. So guys, the total value for this month for this box was $176. I know we did not get a lot of makeup. That's why I told you guys at the beginning of the video, is it makeup? Is it skincare? I know it's a little bit more on the skincare side, but this year my resolution is I do want to get more positive on my skincare routine. I do want to take care more of my skin. So for me, this was a perfect box. And for $25, getting $176 worth is still worth it to continue with this subscription. Now, if you guys do have any comments, if you guys don't like a lot of makeup, you like more skincare, if you like more skincare, if you like more makeup, please leave all in the comments below. I do try to answer all of them. Guys, with that being said, I do want to remind you that you can follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram at AllwaySunshine, a little bit of love over there, a little bit of love over here. Also, a reminder, this is our monthly giveaway channel. That is why it's so important for you guys to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, have that notification button turned on so you get notified of our monthly giveaways. This is the link to our current giveaway right here, our January giveaway. It has some new rules, so returning guys, new guys, please go check that out right away. This is Kelsey from AllwaySunshine giving you guys a lot of luck, good luck to, a lot of love. Good luck to everybody. Have a good one. See you in the next one. And don't forget these 2 videos.